Good morning, everyone. This is Rashwin, the Asian mechanic guy, and today we are be doing a diagnostic for 2000. I think that was Infiniti 2000 Infiniti I30. So the customer brought it here for a clunking sounds from the front tire on the passenger side. Actually, the customer brought that car from the other shop like few days ago, and then they diagnosed it like a bad CV axle. So they changed the CV axle, but then it didn't fix the problem. So he brought it back to that shop, but then the shop said, "Oh, you have a bad strut." So the customer is seeking for a second opinion. So he found me online. So I will be doing the diagnostic today. I will be only charging him $40, but I will be filming that his car, and he agreed with it. So it's a good deal for me and a good deal for him. So join me today, guys. We will do a diagnostic. So let's do it. Okay, guys. So I did test drive this Infiniti because I wanna duplicate what is happening, but I couldn't hear the clunking sounds. But when I turn the steering wheel to the right, especially on humps, I can feel some, like there's something left on the ground and the body of the car like jump. So based on my opinion, it's not the strut. It might be a strut, but well, every mechanic had a different opinion. We are all the same. I mean, we are all the same. We go to school for automotive mechanic, but we have a different way of how to diagnose, issue of a car. And as for me, it's not really the strut. I believe it's the ball joint. So I will be focusing on the lower ball joint. So I have to remove the tires and then check the lower ball joint. So let's do it. All right, so guys, in my experience, or the way I diagnose a ball joint, I will mostly I disconnect, how do you call this one, a knuckle, spindle knuckle. I disconnect the spindle knuckle from the strut, and then what I'm going to do is like lift this, and then check if there's like a play on the lower ball joint. So in order to do that, we have to remove the axle. But anyway, the other shop already changed the CV axle, so this is gonna be easier for us, because I'm sure this is not stock CV axle anymore. So we are just removing these two bolts in here, and then there are also a couple of brake line and ABS wire. Okay, so this is the new CV axle that they just put it on a few days ago, and what we are checking is this. Let me hold on. So see this part. See how it looks, and then when you lift this one, see there's a play. I don't know how I'm gonna show it to you guys. You can also use this, but it's better if you just lift it, then you can feel it like okay, see this. So guys, yeah, it's this one. Okay, the ball joint is bad. It's too loose. See, when you lift this, you can feel like there's a gap on this in here, and then like a few centimeters, so you can feel like there's like a metal that is left behind, and then you can lift this and then something like that. So I think that's it, guys. This is just a diagnostic. So I checked also the strut, and based on my opinion, still good. It's not the strut. So the ball joint is bad. I'm going to call back the customer and then give him a quote, and let's see from there. But right now it's the ball joint. So I hope I give you a tip of how to diagnose a bad ball joint in my way. So a different mechanic, different way of diagnostic. So that's how it is, and this is how I diagnose a ball joint, this specific vehicle. So I hope you like this video, guys, and please consider like and subscribe my channel. So that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.